Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series where we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating. So the question is IPL Ticket Rush. So DAIICT college student want to attend the IPL match. Okay, so there is a college and the student want to attend the IPL match. And there is a total number of N student from the college want to go. Okay, so the particular student wants to go in an IPL match and others are not. So there is only an N student who wants to go in a IPL match. Okay, the total N student wants to go in a IPL match, and the while only M tickets are available. Okay, so only M tickets are available, and you just have to find that how many students won't be able to book the tickets. Okay, so let's take an example. I hope you understand with an example. Correct. So there is an given at 4 test case and 5 and 3. Okay, so the first input will give the number of student wants to go in a match and the second input will give the tickets. Okay, so the 5 student wants to go in a match and the available ticket is 3. So how many student won't be able to go, which is 2. Okay, so you just have to return the 2, and the second is 5 and 7 input. Okay, so here is a 5 and 7. So the 5 student wants to go and there is a 7 tickets. So how many student won't be able to go? So there is a 0 student won't be able to go because there is 2 extra tickets that student will go. Okay, so you just have to print those number of student which won't be able to go in a match. Okay, so you just have to check if you just have to create a condition loop that if y is greater than or equals to x, if it is greater than or equals to x, then you just have to see out 0. Okay, because it is obvious that if it is greater or equal to 0, then you just have to print the 0, and if it is not, then you just have to do minus. Okay, you just have to do the subtraction of x and y. You just have to do the subtraction. So let's do this. First you have to take int t, and then you just have to take c and t. Okay, and then create a while loop. While t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take int x comma y. Okay, and then c in x, c in y. Okay, and then you just have to do one thing, that then you just have to check if y is greater than equals to x, then you just have to do c out of 0, else you just have to do else you have to do x minus y. Okay, so you just have to do x minus y and then have to do end l. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. So I hope you understand this code, that what this question is telling. If you have more tickets than the student, then it is obvious that every student will go, and if it is less, then you just have to do minus. Okay, so this is the easiest question.